At this stage, differences start to show. Some piglets are getting stronger, while others are already falling behind. This is where many farmers lose control without even realizing it. In this video, we will break down why not all piglets grow the same, how competition affects feeding, and what causes early weakness or weaknesses on newly born piglets. How small differences can later turn to bigger outcomes. This is where structure becomes more important than guesswork. Subscribe and follow the journey. At this stage, something now becomes very clear. Not all piglets are growing the same way. Some are getting stronger and some are already falling behind. If you look closely, you will notice something most people always miss. This is week 2, and this is where performance starts separating itself. There is a pattern here, but it's not obvious. At this stage, we observe movements, we observe their feeding, their behavior, as well as their response too. Some piglets move fast or faster than the others, while some move slower. That difference alone also matters a lot. And here is the problem. Most farmers ignore this stage with the assumption that all piglets will catch up with the other ones, but they don't. And as time goes on, that gap becomes more wider. Let's talk about feeding once again. People think feeding solves every problem. Of course, what you feed is important. Growth is not just feeding. That you must understand in this business of pig farming. Access is very important, as well as timing and as well as competition. Stronger piglets dominate in feeding. Weaker piglets get less. And that small difference keep increasing. But feeding is not the only factor. Environment still plays a role. Now you start to see something. It's not one issue, it's the system. If you watched week 1, that means if you have been following us on our previous series or episode, this mistake, if you have been following us on our previous videos or episode, this will make more sense to you. Earlier weakness doesn't disappear. It grows as time goes on. And we are already seeing signs. We now have 2 groups: stronger piglets and struggling piglets. This is where farmers once again lose control because they do not act early when they should act. You don't wait for problems to grow. As a farmer, you manage it early. And right now, the gap is increasing. And in the next stage, this difference becomes even more clearer. Some piglets will grow fast or faster than the others, while some will grow slower, and some may not even recover from it. If you want to understand this process fully, subscribe and also comment below. What do you think matters more here? Feeding or competition? Thanks for watching, and see you again on same channel in our next episode.